In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and set up Motion, formerly known as Frame of Motion. So let's get started. In your terminal, just type in the command npm I motion and then press enter. This will install the Motion package for you, okay? And then next at the top, you need to import this in, okay? So after you have done this, it's super simple. So to animate a div or even a h1, any tags, just type in motion, then dot, and then you make that into like a motion tag, okay? And then in this, you can just add in initial, okay? And then you need animate, okay? So initial is basically the starting point of the animation, and animate is what it will animate to from the initial point. So to just give you an example, let's say opacity is going to be 0 by default. Basically it's going to be invisible, and then I am going to make this 1. Okay, so I'm just going to save this, and if I refresh this, you'll see this faded in. So let's add more animations to this. So I am going to add in, let's say, translate Y is going to be 50, okay, by default, and we are going to make it 0, okay, and now let's see what I get. Now you can see it came from the bottom, but just in case you didn't see that, and to make the animation smoother as well, let's add a delay of, let's say, 0.2 seconds, and also, actually, you know what, let's add a delay of 1 second, and then let's do duration, and it's going to be 1 second. Okay, which is the default, I think, by the way, the duration, but just so we can control this later on if we want to. So let's refresh this. As you can see, it was smoother, but it's still taking a good amount of time. So this is not the default one. Okay, so I'm gonna do 0.5. I think that's better. Yeah, I liked that. Make it even smoother. Let's do 4. So I hope you liked this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.